Hi, it's Nitin Patil here and welcome back to my channel Megapixel Beast. So today I'm going to tell you about how you can earn from your photos by just uploading photos on websites. So let's start. Here you guys can see the mail from Adobe Stock regarding my sold photo. One of my photo which was uploaded in month of March is sold in August. This mail is only for your reference. Let's start our tutorial about how to upload images and earn money through Adobe Stock Contributor. Search Adobe Stock Contributor on the Google and just go on the first site. There are multiple sites but you have to go on contributor.stock.adobe. After opening that, we will redirect on homepage. On homepage you can see sell your content to world's largest creative community. For that you just need one account. Here you can purchase or sell your photos on Adobe Stock Contributor. There is a sign in option at upper side. If you have Adobe account, then please fill up the details. After that, accept the details and you will be redirected on the upload file options. You can switch from dashboard, uploaded files, insights, contributors account with the help of navigation bar. After that you just have to select a photo to upload. There will be upload window. That time you just have to drag and drop your image from your computer. Before uploading your image you should follow these rules. First one is your image should be in JPEG format. Second one is minimum resolution should be 4 megapixel. Fourth one is about maximum size, which is 45 MB. Let's open my file from the computer and check the file information. The resolution of this image is about 24 megapixel and the size is approximately 12 MB. So I can upload this image on the site. Just drag this image and drop it in window. Now you have to fill some details regarding this photo like file type, category, types, keywords, and majority options are automatically filled by the websites. I am selecting options with respect to my image because my image considered as a landscape. Website already added some keywords in my photo because it will be easy to find my photo on website. Now it's time to give a name and there are also some suggestions for your photo. You can give title as per your requirement. After completing these steps, you can save your work or submit it to further review. After submit option, you will get another confirmation window regarding submission. Just tap on submit. After submitting, your photo will be appeared in review section. In 5 to 7 days, your photo will be reviewed and it will be appeared on your portfolio. Here, I uploaded 2 photos and they are accepted on the site. Here you can see more details like title, keyword, resolution and many more. There will be one unique ID for your photo which is given by this Adobe Stock Contributor. So it's time to see earning of this photo. One of my photo is sold for $0.23. I know this is the small amount, but if you have multiple photos on this portfolio, then there will be chance to earn about $20 to $50 per month. So I think uploading on Adobe Stock Contributor is more beneficial than uploading photos on Instagram. Hope you like this video. If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.